In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the standard air tank in Subnautica. So the crafting recipe is going to be 2 pieces of titanium, 1 rubber, and 2 pieces of silver. So let's go ahead and start off with titanium. Now titanium is one of the easier materials to get. To find titanium, you could just go down underwater not too far away from your pod and you should be able to go ahead and find it. Yep, as you're able to tell, we were instantly able to go ahead and find some titanium. Alright, now let's find some rubber. Now, a good place where you're able to find rubber early on in the game is right over here. So around north and then 15. Once again, we are still incredibly close to our life pod. So this right over here is going to allow you to create rubber. So you're able to pick this up right over here and pick it up right here one more time. And now let's head back over to our life pod so we're able to make our rubber. So once again, we're only going to be like 60 meters away from the life pod. We're not going to be too far away. However, silver is definitely the harder one to get. So anyways, I'll be right back with you guys once I'm inside the life pod. Alright, once you guys are here, please open up the fabricator, then select over here where it says resources. Then, as you're able to tell, we're now able to go ahead and craft more rubber using the Luficer road sack that we actually did just get. Anyways, once you're done with that, now let's go ahead and get some silver. So to get silver, you want to go just shy of north. So this direction right over here. So check this out. It's almost north, but not quite exactly. So you just want to keep on going over here. And by the way, I do want to apologize if my game is lagging. Like, guys, Subnautica 2 is just absolutely crazy on my PC, but I hope you guys are still able to see the tutorial. Anyways, you just want to go past this structure over here and keep on making your way here. So I'm going to avoid cutting this video too much, just so you're able to see basically everything that is going on. So let's keep on making our way here. And eventually we'll get past this like structure over here, which honestly does look pretty nice. And then eventually you should be able to find like a cave opening and stuff like that. So let's keep on making our way here. And it should be right here. There you go. All right. So you are going to go a little bit deep underwater, around like 60 meters. So keep that in mind. But then you'll notice that there's going to be like a little underwater cave opening. And this is where we're able to find a bunch of silver early on in the game. So as you can tell, we got some silver right here. You will need to use like a multi-tool in order to pick it up, but there's even more silver down there as well. All right, once you're done with that, you want to head back over to your life pod. All right, guys, so here we're back in the life pod. Then you want to open up the fabricator, select it over here where it says personal. Then you're able to actually craft your standard air tank. So just select on it, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and craft it, and then you could use it and get better performance. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.